Croon Community Pure Trust. On Monday, the 2nd of October 2023, the founding elders of the Croon Community issued the following order. Number 10005/23, which confirmed the creation of the Croon Community Pure Trust. The Croon Community Pure Trust, CCPT, is intended for living men and women wishing to live in the private, and will be available for Croon community members only. It was created to protect the property of the Croon community members, all living men and women, from statutory control. This trust is entirely anonymous and confidential. The existence of those who are signed up to it will only be known by the trustee and the beneficiaries themselves. Under common law, as long as you do not infringe upon the rights of others and are honourable in your contractual dealings with others, you are free to conduct your life and business in any manner you choose. The benefit of having this trust is that all assets within the trust are protected. The assets of the trust are transferred to the trustee in such a way that they are bound and regulated according to the territory in which the trustee is domiciled. Hence, the trustee will be domiciled within the Croon community at the CLC Embassy. The Croon Community Pure Trust has no statutory regulations to comply with and no tax liability. The Croon Community Pure Trust does not fall under statutory legislation, and the statutory authorities have no jurisdiction over it. Statutory authorities will find it impossible to deal with anything held in the trust and will be unable to hold the beneficiary liable for any attachment to the trust. The intention would be to enable the trust to protect your private property, which can include the following: your fictitious name, your CLC passport, your land and property, your children, your DNA, your vehicle, or any precious metals, etc. that you might own. Some of the benefits of creating this trust would mean 1. This trust falls under the jurisdiction of common law and the Croon community. 2. In the event of a dispute regarding this trust, it will come under the authority and control of the Common Law Court, Great Britain and International. 3. The state and authorities could no longer use your fictitious name to prosecute you. 4. You are no longer subject to statutory authorities and their legislation. 5. The state could no longer remove your assets or property, such as your car, house, children, etc. 6. You are no longer subject to statutory fines and charges, etc. 7. You will no longer be subject to inheritance tax on your property, etc. 8. You are no longer personally liable for tax. Should you wish to find out more information on how to create your own trust, you can find an e-book explaining the matter in much greater detail by clicking on the CCPT Explained Here tab directly below the link to this video at the foot of the summary page. Then, only if you wish to proceed, please scroll to the very bottom of the summary page and complete the form entitled Croon Community Pure Trust to initiate the process.